To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline to add the flash and color effect to. Let's begin by going over to the Effects panel, type Color Balance into the search box. Drag the one with the HLS onto your clip. Make sure your clip is selected and then go up to Effect Controls. Position the time at the start of your clip. Go down to the Color Balance effect and click the stopwatch next to Hue to create a certain keyframe. Move the timeline to where you want the flash and color effect to end. Click and drag the hue value to the right to increase its value. This will automatically create your second keyframe all right, and there we have our flash and color effect. If you want the flash and colors to go faster, start by using one of the arrows on the hue property to reposition the time, and on the second keyframe now, just increase a huge value for your second keyframe to speed up the flash and colors. You can also slow down the flash and colors by simply decreasing the value for your second keyframe. Okay, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.